A very good morning to all my dear students of class 11 of all the three streams. Once again, I am back with my English video class. In my previous class, students, I have taught you all what is debate writing. And today, I told you all that I will be giving you a sample of debate writing. So, what you will do is that I am giving you the question. You follow the question as well as how to write a debate. I will be showing you that one also. Okay, so you follow the class. Another very important thing, students, I want to tell you is that whenever a topic of debate you will find in your question paper, you have to decide whether you will be writing it for the motion or against the motion. Is it clear to you all? Any one you have to choose either for or against, and you have to write accordingly. Students, you look into the question of debate writing. Brain drain is not a ban for a developing country like India. Write a debate in 120 to 150 words either for or against the motion. Now you look into the topic, students. So students, the salutation begins in this way. Honorable members of the jury, my fellow competitors and worthy audience, today I am going to express my views in favor of the motion. Brain drain is not a ban for a developing country like India. First of all, I would like to ask how many intelligent persons go to foreign countries every year on average. Dear friends, the number is just handful. So see, students, salutation and introduction ends here. Now begins the body, which is the main part of the question of debate writing. India, the largest democracy in the world with a population of more than 120 billion, is a fast developing country. No doubt many students realize their dream to go abroad to study and earn a lot of money. But that is just a myth. The reality is that more than 80% of the people who go abroad to study are those who are not competent enough to get admission in Indian universities. In fact, the brain drain hardly has any effect on developing countries like India because the real geniuses remain in our own country. A developing country like India works on its resources. The major resource that India has is the human resource. India is a land of geniuses and learned people, and this is evident from the fact that India has done so much in the field of science and technology, from Mars mission to the latest launch of IRNSS 1F satellite. Indian educational institutions are supposed to be among the world's best. So here, students, ends the body part of the question of debate writing. Now, you look into the answer. The last paragraph is the conclusion. Thus, a culturally diverse, economically strong, socially bonded country like India can never be affected by the trivial issue of brain drain. And at the end, thank you is written, which is a formal thanks to the audience. The topic brain drain is not a ban for a developing country like India. In this topic, now we have to write against the motion. If we have to write against the motion, how we will be writing? Honorable members of the jury, my fellow competitors and worthy audience, today I am going to express my views against the topic brain drain is not a ban for a developing country like India. Dear friends, what is a country? Is it just lands, rivers, mountains, or it is the people? No doubt a country is due to its people, and there is absolutely no doubt in the fact that development and growth are equally proportionate to the intelligence and resourcefulness of people. In fact, for any developing country, human resources are the most important thing. How can a country progress if most of its intelligent brains have migrated to some other place? That is the crisis that we all are facing these days. We are not able to hold the brainy, intelligent, productive people in our country due to corruption and nepotism. India, being a developing country, has to work hard to sustain and nurture its growth. But brain drain has proved to be a great hindrance in this field. Development is not possible without the intelligent scientists, doctors, lawyers, businessmen, etc. But unfortunately, the youth have got so much frustrated with the system that they don't want to stay in India. Now, in the same way, the concluding part. This brain drain is no doubt a ban for every developing country because it is one of the major factors which impedes the growth of a country and ultimately brings all development to a standstill. And at the end, again, the formal thank you to the audience. So students, I think that you have understood the topic of debate writing. If there is any problem while you will be writing a debate, you please consult with me so that I can help you out again to explain you. Am I clear to you all? Now you take down a homework which you will be doing it in your English copy by putting today's date. Students, your homework question of debate writing is: the internet cannot replace a classroom teacher. Write a debate in 120 to 150 words either for or against the motion. By maintaining the proper format, by maintaining the word limit, okay, you have to write the debate. So thank you students for today. Bye bye. Stay safe.